So hello guys, today I'm gonna be teaching how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's cube. So this is very easy method. This is the beginner's method and anyone can solve using this method very fast. Not very fast, sorry. You just learn to solve it first, then go to the advanced method. I would soon be uploading that video. So first let's scramble, then let me teach you 3x3 Rubik's cube, and so that you will be able to solve. So first step, you have to start from white and you have to memorize that white, top is white and downside yellow. So your first layer would be white and last layer would be yellow, and beneath the white color in this middle layer you have the red color, blue color, orange color and green color. So you have to memorize the sequence that red, blue, orange, green, and yellow and yellow here and white on the top. So first step is to bring all the white edges. Edges are these pieces are called edges and these are called corners, and this is the center. You have to remember the placing of the centers. So first step is to align all the white edges into the yellow center. So first edge is here. No, this is aligned but it is not correctly aligned. You have to first move this layer like this and align this edge like this. So our red edge is also aligned accidentally. So it's a good one for you. Now you must be thinking that if we insert this piece out there, if we want to insert this piece would be ruined. No, we can do it without ruining this piece. You have to first move this layer like this and do this move, and then this piece was here, so move the layer here. So these are some tricks that you will be understanding after this video. So first you watch, don't hold your cube first, just try to watch this video and watch it again for your reference by holding the cube, then you will understand better. But if you are having the cube, please hold it, no problems. So you have to make a daisy like this, and once the daisy has been created, you can do like this, that the daisy is here on the downside layer and white is on the top layer. So this daisy, you have to match the colors from the center. So like that, this edge piece is of white and blue, so you have to match it to the blue color. And you see that this one we have to find the blue color, this one is the blue color, so we can align it by doing this, and this is here. And now we have to find, this is the red white piece, so we have to find the red center and then align it at the top, like doing these two moves, like 1, 2, and this is aligned. And we have to do the same with the orange piece and align it like this. So what you were doing, that you just putting all the pieces in the yellow center and then aligning like this easy method, and then this green and green is also being matched, so we can do the two moves and bring it up. So now you have to insert the corners. So first let's try with the red and blue corner. So we can see that the red and blue corner is here and we have to put it here. Now what would be the method for it? The method would be simple. You would be thinking that now this piece would be ruined. No, nothing would be ruined. You have to move this layer upwards, then take out this piece out of this edge and then realign this edge. So the edge is also aligned and this corner is also placed here, and so we can insert it like this. Now how to insert? You can just insert here, then you have to move it down and like this. One more time, let me tell you. this was here, so you have to align this here so that white color, it matches to the white center. So now once you have aligned this here, you have to move this layer down, then this layer to the white side, and then do this move. So your one piece is arranged like this. Now you can have several cases. So that piece was right here, so we aligned it like this. This was the case, so we aligned it like this. But here there's a different case. This is the green and orange place. No, the same case. Same case, we have to align it like this only. Then let's go. Now the piece is in the downward spot. Now how to align it? So the easiest way to align this is, you must be wondering that why the cube is not ruined. Because I was like, when I was learning this cube, I was thinking that the cube is ruined time to time, but now I have realized that it is not like that. So this piece is downside, so you have to move this layer up so that this piece comes here and align it here. Let me teach you in a different way. You have to align this piece to here. You just simply do that move only. This move done. Now you have to send this piece here, like we did, like this only. This piece you have to you have to displace the piece from here. So you have to do like this, the white layer up, and then this and this. And now this is in the right spot, so we can align it like the previous method. Now there is the same case, but let me take another example. Let me create a case. This was another case. We were getting the white piece on white side on here, but now this is here. Now no problems, no worries, sorry. This white piece wants to go there like this, so we have to arrange this here and make sure that this is not ruined. So move it like that, then that, then that, and your first layer is completed like this only. Okay, this is very much easy. Now your first layer is completed without the algorithms. So now you have to learn some algorithms which I would be writing in paper, and let's write it on paper and then show you the tricks of Rubik's cubes. Yeah, boom, paper has been brought by me. Okay, so your first layer was completed like this. Now you have to learn some notations, like you have to arrange this piece right here. Now there is an algorithm for this which I would be noting you down, or if you want to remember without the algorithm, I can do that thing also. So first you have to understand some moves on the cube which I would be teaching you. There is another fellow cube with us, so I would be teaching you the moves from this cube. So the first move is the upper move. This is called the upper move. Upper move, you have to do it with this one finger. Mummy finger. Okay, so you have to do it like this. This is called U. When you move the top layer, it is called upper layer. You can do like this, upper layer. So this move is called U. Okay, so let me note it down. U means like this. Okay, in the upper layer. And next move you have to learn is, this is the algorithm notations which you have to learn. So first was U, like this. Like this you have to learn many things, and this needs to be remembered. And when you do this U, when you do back, reverse this U like this with your this finger, left hand finger. Okay, so this move is called U prime, which you write it as U and this dash. and this move goes here. Now the next move is D, matlab down, means down, this down layer. So like it is the total opposite of U and U prime. Like this one was U and this one was U prime. So in this layer, this would be D and this would be D prime. So it's going all reverse, and this makes a confusion. So let me clear. This is D and this is D prime, reverse of U and U prime. So D prime, D is equal to this one. Let me write D. D is equal to this, and D prime is equal to this move. Okay. Now this was the U prime, D prime. Now the next moves. This move is called R. R means right. You have to do it with your right hand in the right layer. This is right. Right means R, and this is R prime. R prime also is written by like this. So when you turn the right layer upwards, it is called R, and when you go downwards in the right layer, it is called R prime. Like this, R prime. Now the next moves. The reverse of R, right is left, you know. So like U and D, left is L is no this one. When you do this turn on your cube, it is called L. And you have to remember that these notation are on the same face. Don't do like that. You are on the white face and you moved L, so you are on the orange face. You just have to do L, means that this piece, this layer, you have to turn it like this. So this notation's confused, but this is L, moving the left layer downwards, and this is L prime. So we can write it as L is equal to down left and L prime is equal to upper left. So these are the necessary moves you have to learn for the algorithms in the first and the second layer, which would help you to solve the cube. Now the other moves. So the other one move is simple, the middle layer. Although it is not used in many of the cases, but let me tell you, it would be further helping you. The M move is like that, this middle layer. When you do it up, it is called M, and when you do it down, it is called M prime. So M is turning the middle layer up and M prime is turning the middle layer down. Let me write it down. Actually the pen is not working. Let me this is M prime. Okay, not visible, no? Okay, done. So these are the many important moves you have to learn, and I have drawn the arrows sideways, so easy to remember. Let us revise. U prime, D prime, R prime, L prime, M prime. So these are the important moves you have to learn on the same face. Don't be confused. This one is the red center in this cube. Don't be confused. Not using this cube to teach you. Now let's move on to this cube. In this we were making the second layer. So we have to align this orange and green piece over here. Okay, so there is a trick for it, like this algorithms. So let us learn that. So this cube is here and we keep it, and you have to learn all these first or take a screenshot quickly. Okay, let us now learn the second layer. Okay, so there was a trick to align this piece out here. So this piece, so you have to hold the cube like this only. Okay, because this piece is on the, you have to align it to orange or green. So the piece is aligning to orange. So this is the left hand case, So in the left hand case, you have to move this layer like this and then apply the algorithm from here. So the algorithm is like, no, don't include this one. So this is not part of our algorithm. The part of our algorithm is like you have to first do the R prime move. This one. Let me write. So first algorithm, R prime. You have to do like this, R prime. Then you have to do D. Like this. Okay. Then you have to do R. Again, R prime, you have to reverse the R prime move. So writing R, and this is reversed. And you have to simply insert this piece out here. So this was only the algorithm, R prime, D, R. And now you have got this piece, so you can insert it just like this, only like this. This is a F12 pair, we call it. So like this is inserted. So left hand case would be clear. This is another left hand case. So move it to the move it this side, then do R prime, then do D, then do R, and then arrange this piece like this. Again, this was the left hand case. Now, is there any right hand case? Yes, this is the right hand case. So in the right hand case, you have to move the cube like 180 degree. So 180 degree. This would be easy for you to use your index finger and easy moves according to me. So you have to first displace this one piece to here and then apply the algorithm. You have to now apply R like this. Then this move is called U, so you will apply U like this and then R prime. R. So now this piece is here and you well know how to insert it here. So just like this. Don't worry about the other pieces, they are all fine. Now the third case. This is neither the left hand case nor the right hand case. Let me mention here, this was the right hand case, RHC, sorry, and this was the LHC. Okay, so now this is the reversed case. So now you have to simply any piece you can do, you have to simply remove this piece and any other piece should be here. This piece you have to reverse, so first you have to take it out, means in the down layer. So you can apply the algorithm, any of the algorithms, but I would be applying and I would prefer to use the RHC. So R prime, then you have to do the D move and R, and then insert this piece, insert the white piece back again. So now you would be observing that the orange blue piece has been moved here, and another case would be that orange would be here, blue would be here. You can simply do that with LHC like this, rotating it 180 degree. So this is the RHC, so we can displace this piece from here and then apply R prime, D, R, and then insert the white piece. So your second layer is completed. Now there is the last layer left. So let us learn how to solve the last layer. So last layer you have to build a cross like we have built here. This one, this was the cross only now. So in the last layer we have to build a cross. So the algorithm is quite simple. The first case is the dot case. If you got the dot case, you have to, there is the same algorithm all the time to make a cross. So if you have got only a yellow piece and not the cross, ignore these pieces. Corners are ignored first, and first we have to build a cross. So this is the yellow. So you have to make all the pieces of yellow in here. The first case is the dot case. So you have to hold the cube any of the directions, no restrictions. I am holding it from the red, and then you have to apply this F. Okay, it was a new one for you. This we have learned, and you have to now learn another move. This would be F, means front, and F would be like this, and F prime would be like this. So let me do F prime. F would be F. You have to hold the cube like this and move the front layer. This one layer is called the front layer. So your second layer was solved. You have to move the front layer right here. Okay, this is F, and when you reverse it, it is F prime. This one was new for you, remember it. Okay, so let's move on to our algorithm. This was F, first move with F. Okay, so you can move this like this. Then you have to do R, U, R prime, U prime. Okay, the algorithm was, so first you have to do the F move, F, R, U, R prime, F, and then you have to do the F prime like this. F prime you can write like this. F prime means anti-clockwise. Okay, so this algorithm is quite simple because you have to do FRU. These are normal moves. Okay, and then you have to simply reverse them, but the R and U combination, and the F is on the last. Just that you have to remember that. Okay, this is the second case of our cross, which we have moved on to. So this is the L case. So how to solve the L case? The same algorithm, just you have to hold the L like this. The L should be here like this. L should be visible. Okay, and then you have to apply the same algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So the third case is the line case, which you have got here. And again apply the algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F, and your cross is completed. Ignore the corners. Your cross is completed like this. So in the line case, you have to hold the cube, hold the line as it is a horizontal line, not in vertical. If you have hold the line in the vertical case, you would have achieved a dot, which you have to complete again with this algorithm 4 times. Okay, so this is the cross we have successfully made. And then there is another algorithm. Now you must be saying that there are many algorithms, I am tired. But you have to learn this day by day. You are watching this video, so you can take a break and first memorize these first 2 layers and then this one. Although there are now only 3 algorithms, and they are repeated twice or thrice or 4 times. Okay, so the cross was built, and then we have to build the edge. The cross was built like this. The cross is there. Okay, so now we have got another case. 1 minute. First I have to go to the bigger case. Okay, so first case is that you will have the opposite colors in the same aligned like this. This is not aligned, you would not be understanding. This is the cross. You have to align orange to the orange, and as if you aligned orange, you would see that the red is also aligned. This is the first case. There is a second case which would come after this. Okay, so you have to arrange this green and this blue has to be swapped. So you have to do one algorithm. Okay, so the algorithm is not quite simple now. Okay, the algorithm keeps on going down. Okay, so the algorithm for this would be, you have to hold the cube either on the red, either on the orange, which are solved, and do this algorithm. First move would be R, R, then U, 2, U2. You have to do U 2 times, so I would write it as U2. When you do a move 2 times, you write it as U2, okay, or R2, B2, like that only. Sorry, B2, there is nothing like B2. So R, U2, okay, R, U2. Then you have to do, then you have to reverse this R move. You do this R prime, then do a single U, like this. Sorry, U prime. Don't do U prime. Then you have to again do R. Then you have to do U prime. Then you have to do R prime. Let me do U prime and then R prime. Now you would be seeing that there is another case that the green and orange color are built and the red and blue are misaligned. So this is our second case which we have came across. Okay, so now in this case you would find the second case would be like if you got only the second case and not the first case. So the case would like then when you align the red, orange is not there, so try it with the next color. Okay, so let me align orange, green is aligned, so these are adjacent aligns. So now apply the algorithm from this one is right. Okay, so green and orange, so right of the right color. Okay, so right face of the right color. Confusing. Okay, and same algorithm, R, Q, 2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime and R prime, and then you have to simply move this around and you will see that your edge pieces are completely solved. Okay, now you have to look on to the corner pieces. Okay, corner pieces. Let me build a case for this. The first case is that no colors are in the right place, no corners. Don't see the align, like this corner would be like this also, like twisted. Okay, agree. So you have to look that any corner is in the right place. This one is not in the right place, this one is not in the right place, this one is also not in the right place, this one is also not in the right place. So what to do? Okay, there is an algorithm for this. Again, after these couple of moves, there is another algorithm. Okay, so the algorithm is you have to move L prime first, like L prime, then you have to do U. Let me write U. Then you have to do R, doing R. Then you have to do reverse this U prime. Then you have to reverse the L. You can do L. You have to reverse L prime, so you do L. Okay. Then you have to do again U, like this, and then reverse the R moves by R prime. Okay, let me check the algorithm again. The algorithm was L prime, U, R, Q prime, L, Q, R prime. Okay, the algorithm was quite simple. So now you would see that your one color would be aligned, and if not, try this algorithm again. Okay, so for now my green and orange piece is aligned in its correct spot. So now you must be wondering that this yellow should be here, but it's not there. So that is the another case, but this is in the correct spot. You agree now? This is in the correct spot. And let's see, this one is not in the correct spot, this one also, this one also. So one piece in the correct spot. So again we have to apply this algorithm. L prime, U, R, Q prime, L, U, R prime, and then do this U move. you have to again and again align these edges to know that if your cube is good enough. Okay, always after an algorithm align them. Okay, so again here should be green and red, here is blue and red, so we have to apply the algorithm again. So L prime U R U prime, L U R prime, and then this. So we see that are these pieces aligned, and this is also on the correct spot, this is also on the correct spot, this is also on the correct spot. Now now you have to do a simple moves. Okay, there are simple moves that you have to follow. Okay, now turn your cube to the white side, and you have to apply the algorithm from this right layer in the yellow side. So hold your cube like this. This piece is not aligned, so you have to hold it in the front layer. Okay, any piece which is not aligned, you have to hold it in the front layer first. Now the algorithm would be like, you have to do R U R prime and U. Okay, this one algorithm only, just ignore the F moves. Okay, do like me, R U R prime U. No, yellow piece is not in the correct spot and not aligned, though you must be saying that the cube is messed up. No. Okay, try the algorithm again. 2 3 4. Okay, again the yellow piece is not in the right spot, we have to apply the algorithm again. R U R prime U prime. Okay, this is not in the correct spot, again R U R prime U prime. So now this is in the correct spot. Now you have to rotate this cube layer like this to align the next piece. Okay, you must have been casing that all the 4 pieces are not aligned or the 2 opposite pieces are not aligned. That is another chance, but you have to do it in the same way. Okay, first this was aligned, so I moved this layer here, and this is also like this. So you have to again do R U R prime U prime. So I have written here U only, sorry, this is U prime, and the piece is not aligned, so we have to do again not aligned, again. Okay, again aligned. Now you have to move this layer as D. Okay, and then I apply the same move. So the same move, not aligned. You also been wondering that your piece is aligned in 2 moves, but as if if it has been aligned in 2 moves, you can simply do this D move and align it. So we see after doing this algorithm and turning the cube layer, the last layer, which was the yellow one, twice or thrice or once, our cube is solved. Now you can reverse this video again and take a screenshot of these algorithms, so that this would be easy for you to solve a cube, and these algorithms would be a reference for it. And you have to practice the cube and watch the video twice, thrice to learn the Rubik's cube properly. So please take a screenshot for it. I would prefer to take a screenshot. Okay, so this was the tutorial. Let us revise. So first, let me scramble the cube. This is the revision. Okay, quick revision. So first we have to build a daisy, means flower. So we have to align all the white edges here. One is here. Okay, aligned. Now you have to match. First I catch out this orange piece, then align it on the top layer. Then I catch out the blue piece, then on the top layer, red on the top layer, and then green on the top layer. Okay, all are in the top layer. Now I have to pull I have to align this piece here. So I would align it like this. Then this piece has to go here, so I would align it like this, and then this piece has to go here, align it like this. Now this is the downward case, so align the piece here, remove it, then align it again. Now this is the right hand case, so move it here and R prime D R, and then align this piece again. This is solved. Then this is the counter case, the piece has to be switched, so take out using the RHC. And then this is on the blue side, so blue side you can do this, and this is aligned by RHC. Now this is the red one, again RHC. Okay, isn't any LHC there? No, so we can align it using the RHC again. So LHC wasn't used. Now we have to make a cross. Cross is already built. Let me revise how to build a cross. Okay, let us build a cross. Okay, this is the dot case. You have to follow this algorithm: F R U R prime U prime, and then F prime. So your L case has appeared. L has to be like this, and then apply the same algorithm. And then F prime, the line case, again the same algorithm, keeping the line horizontally. Vertically was wrong. Then apply the same algorithm and then do the F move. The cross was built. Then align the pieces. This was the okay, this one case. So do this algorithm from the right face of the right color which has been built. Okay, R U2 R prime U prime R U prime R prime. Okay, and then do this U move to align them, and these pieces are all aligned. Now this one piece is on the correct place, so we will do this one algorithm: L prime U R U prime L U R prime, and then do the U move. These pieces have not been aligned, so do it the algorithm again. This piece is aligned now. Now all the 4 pieces are in the wrong spot, wrongly aligned. So do this algorithm: R U R prime U R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime, aligned. Now again, R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime, aligned. Okay, R U R prime U prime not aligned. R U R prime U prime, aligned. R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. Okay, aligned. And this solves your cube by turning it thrice, twice, and so on. So this is the complete tutorial, and thanks for watching. This is the complete algorithms for the cube, and hope this video would make you understand better. So please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I would be soon uploading a video to solve the 2x2 cube. So be ready, because this tutorial is also coming, and thanks for watching.